हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि दतिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ टॉप 25 एडवांस इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी वर्ड्स which will be very helpful for you to enhance your English vocabulary as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first vocabulary word. The first word is available. It means uplabdh. The second word is awareness. It means jagrukta. The third word is anticipate. It means अंदाजा लगाना. The fourth word is boil. It means उबालना. The fifth word is blissful. It means अति प्रसन्न. The sixth word is bow down. It means नीचे झुकाना. The seventh word is clean. It means साफ करना. The eighth word is catch. It means पकड़ना. The ninth word is change. It means बदलना. The 10th word is compare. It means तुलना करना. The 11th word is celebrate. It means जश्न मनाना. The 12th word is calculate. It means गणना करना. The 13th word is clap. It means ताली बजाना. The 14th word is come out. It means निकलना. 15th word is consent. It means सहमति. The 16th word is contemplate. It means विचार करना. The 17th word is conventional. It means पारंपरिक. The 18th word is curiosity. It means उत्सुकता. The 19th word is depend. It means निर्भर करना. The 20th word is disagree. It means असहमत होना. The 21st word is disappear. It means गायब होना. The 22nd word is disaster. It means आपदा. The 23rd word is discipline. It means अनुशासन. The 24th word is distract. It means विचलित करना. The 25th and last word is drag. It means घसीटना. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more videos.